Very good. Sant Kabir we say, in English we say saint. S-A-I-N-T. Saint Kabir. Okay, Sant Kabir. Because he was a very, very good man who was trying to, what was he trying to do? Trying to do? क्या करना चाहते थे? Yes, very good. He wanted to improve. Improve, you know what improve means? What does improve mean? No, improve. Can we spell it first? Can we spell it? Prove. P R O B D E. He wanted to improve everybody. Improve means? Supposing I tell you, if I say to you, improve your handwriting. What does this mean? Huh? Very good. Very good. Yes? So he wanted to improve. Now you understand what improve means? To make better. Improve the society. What is society? You and me are society. We live in this place. We live in this world. We are all society. So he wanted to improve you, me, her, everybody. Yes? Sometimes we do wrong things. Yes? We do wrong things. Galat baatein? Yes? So he tried to tell people, he tried to tell everyone, don't do this. Don't do wrong things. Don't fight with anybody. Sometimes you fight? Oh yes? With each other? Yes? You don't fight with anybody. Such a good girl you are. Neetu? Very good girl. She doesn't fight with anybody. Good, let's clap for her. She's quite. Okay. So we should not fight with anybody. We should not talk bad things about anyone. Like, what do you say? Talk bad things in Hindi? Talk bad means? Yes, very good. We should not talk about anyone. Yeah, like you all do, na? She's so bad. She has done this. Don't do it. Okay? We should all live. How should we live? With love. Very good. We should all live with love and we should live together happily. You feel nice when you are happy or you feel nice when you are sad and angry? When do you? Happy. Yes? Happy? You feel good, na? So that is what Kabir Das ji was trying to tell everyone. So he was a social reformer. Kabir Das ji was a social reformer. Can you spell reformer? R-E-F-O-R-M. Very good. E-R. He was a social reformer. Society, you know, you've understood what society is. Social means? Samaj, you know what is Samaj? And what does reformer mean? Badalne wala. Change. One who wanted to change the society by telling them good things. So he was a social reformer. What did he say? What did he say? That what did Kabir Das ji say? That we should love each other. Please repeat. We should, yes, love each. Very good. Can you all read it quickly? All right. Then the second thing that he said was, God is one. Can we write it? What is the spelling of God? God is one. O-N-E, one. And one. God is one. God is everywhere. Very good. God is everywhere. Yes, these are the things he said that we should understand this. समझना चाहिए that God is one, God is everywhere. It doesn't, God does not only live in temples. God does not, you know what temples are? Yes. God does not only live in mosques. You know what mosques are? What are mosques? Masjid. God does not only live in churches. Churches. Yes? Yes, Girjaghar. Very good. So God lives everywhere. Okay? These are the things he said. And then he said that I am Kabir. I am the child of Allah and Ram. You know Allah? Yes? Who believes in Allah? Who? Muslims. And Ram? Hindus. So he said that I am not a Hindu. I am not a Muslim. I am a child of both Allah and Ram. But people, you know, some were Hindus, some were Muslims, they did not like this. Yes, they did not like this. They said, why is he talking like this? How can you be a child of both? Either you are a Hindu or you are a Muslim. You cannot be a child of both. So they got angry with him. What did they get? Angry. Yes, they got angry and then they took him. Where did they take him? To the emperor. Who is an emperor? Emperor. Can you spell it? Then I'll tell you. Who is an emperor? Can you spell it? Emperor is, I'll tell you, you all know what emperor is. You know what emperor is. Can I just give you a hint? In the olden times, there used to be, very good. So what do you call that in English? King. King. So, emperor means king. Okay? Emperor means king. So they took him to the king. And when the emperor heard people's complaint means shikayat. Yes. Complaint, can you spell? C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-T. Very good. You know English is like this. Many times the sound is different and the spelling is different. So here it is, you have to put an I. So it is complaint. So the emperor heard the people's complaint. And he was angry. The king was also angry. And what was the complaint? What do you think the people must have complained about Kabir? That Kabir are one. And they said that he is teaching us wrong things. Wrong things means? Yes. That he is saying God is one. How is it possible? You know, this is the complaint. He is saying, what is he saying? Ram and Allah are one. And we don't believe this. Sikh, yes. Sikh also, you are right. All religions, he said, nothing doing. There is only one God. Nobody is Hindu, nobody is Muslim, nobody is a Christian, nobody is a Sikh. We are all one. And so, God is one. And the people, you know, everybody doesn't like to hear it. They don't want to hear this. So, they got angry, took him to the king, and this is the complaint shikayat that they made to the king, the emperor. Emperor. All of you say emperor. Emperor. And what did emperor say? Throw this man into the river. What does this mean? Throw this man into the river? Yes. Just throw him into the river. So, was it good? It was not correct. What will happen if he was thrown into the river? What will happen to him? What will happen to Kabir? Yes, he will die. Because what will happen? You will drown into the river. Drown means? Doob jana. Very good. Drown. Can you spell it? Drown. W. Drown. You know the spelling of down? D. And for drown you just add R. It becomes drown. So he said throw him into the river. So what did the soldiers do? So who are soldiers? What did they do? They took Kabir and threw him into the river. But you know, Kabir was a good man. He was a saint. Yes, he was a holy man. So he did not drown. He did not die. He did not drown. And the second time what happened? Now everybody was, you know, when they saw this that Kabir has not drowned, he is still there. They must have been very not scared. What do you call that in English? What do you call that? No, suddenly means achanak. They were very, it starts with S. Sir. No? Does anybody remember? Sir. No. Very good. Surprise. They were very surprised. They said, oh, we threw him into the river and he has not drowned. He is not dead. So they were all very surprised. Can you spell it? S-U-R-T R-I-S-E-D. They were all very surprised. Oh my God, can you tell me how will they be surprised? Come here. You tell me. Come here. What will they say when they'll be surprised? What is the expression on the face? Come, show. You are surprised. Oh, very good. I'm surprised. He has not died.
He has not died.
And he has not drowned. Very good. So, I am again surprised.
I am surprised.
Yes. Very good. Surprise. See how nicely, just show your expression again. Surprise expression. Very good. He has not drowned. Good girl. So this is surprise. Now the second time, what did they do? They really wanted to kill him. Kill, you know? What does kill mean? Marna. They wanted to kill him. So the second time they tried to kill him. They put him in a hut. What is a hut? Jhopdi. And they set fire to it. And the hut burnt down. The hut, what did they do to the hut? They put fire. And the hut was burnt. Burnt means? Yes. But do you think Kabir died?
No.
He was a good man. God was also trying to save him, trying to protect him. What does protect mean? In Hindi, what will you say? Protect, bacha liya. Hifazat karna, you know? Bachana. So God was with him. He was also trying to protect him. And so he did not die. Now finally means ekdam end, right? Finally, lastly. Finally, you can also say lastly. You know last? Aakhri, huh? So aakhri mein, finally, what did they do? They threw him in front of a mad elephant. You know what an elephant is? What is an elephant? Hathi. And have you ever seen an elephant? It's a small animal or a big animal? Big animal. And what does he have here? Trunk. Very good. And have you seen his feet? Feet, you know, feet of the elephant, feet. The legs of the elephant, they are thin, big, huge, and he has those teeth also, the white, what are they called, you know? Very good, tusks. And the elephant has tusks also, and it is a very, very, very big animal. Ears are also like what do they look like, the ears? Ears look like किसकी तरह लगते हैं? हाँ? Okay. Soup is that with which you do the grains, you clean the grains, na? Dal wal? Yes. Pan also. They look like big, huge pans. And soup also, you are right. With which you thrash करते हैं ना? Thrash माने अलग करना ना? जब हम लोग को कूड़ा अलग करते हैं तब भी thrash करते हैं, right? And when you are, yes, very good. If two things get mixed, then also you'd use a soup. So his ears are huge. Huge means big. Another word for big is huge. What does this mean? Big. How do you spell huge? H-U-G-E. This means big, very big. Okay? This means very big. So, it's a very big animal. Now, it is a big animal and at the same time mad. Yes. Have you ever seen a mad elephant or anybody mad? Have you seen? A person. In a movie you have seen, na? Which one? Which one? Acha. Okay. So, you know, mad means a person doesn't know if a person is mad. If any animal or any person is mad, he doesn't know what he's doing. Yes? Like we all know what we are doing. Yes? We know we are sitting. We know we are talking. We know we are eating. Yes? We know we are sleeping. Yes? We know you are sleeping. Okay. We know this one is laughing. We know this one is crying. We know so many things. But a mad person will not know because he is, yes, he is not in his senses. Senses means? Senses? Yes, very good. Hosh mein nahi hai. Yes, senses. He's mad. So can you imagine what the big elephant must be doing? Mad elephant, what will it do? You know, they say that a mad elephant becomes very, very dangerous. Dangerous means khatarnak. Yes? So, because it will just do whatever it likes. Yes? So, this mad elephant, Kabir was put in front of the mad elephant. Then what happened? Now they thought that now Kabir will be dead. He will be killed by the mad elephant because elephant is going to, how will the elephant kill him? What are the ways? What are the ways the elephant could have killed him? By? Yes, with his leg, by crushing him. See, if a heavy thing is put on this, what will happen? It will crush. So this is what crush, you know, na? Yes. So, like this, yes. and it can also do something else. What can that be? It can crush and crush, yes, crush by using its feet. And one more thing the elephant uses. Yes, the trunk. He can, have you seen?
Yes.
Very good. He rolls the person. Yes. And throw him on the ground. And then, it can be so very, very dangerous. So they were very, very sure. Very, very sure means? नहीं, very sure. I am sure. मतलब मुझे अच्छे से पता है. Yes, I am sure. पक्का. You say na? I am sure I am going to come first in the race. What does this mean? Yes. Yes, you know na? House. Okay. She knew that, she was very sure that her house is going to come first. Did it come first? Oh, yes. Okay. So, everybody was very sure that the elephant will kill Kabir. And then, the elephant, what happened, Elephant ran away. And without harming him. Without harming means? Harming? Yes. Without doing anything to Kabir, and it ran away, defeated the emperor, set Kabir free. Defeated means? Defeat. See, when you are playing a game, one person wins and the other person is defeated. Harna. Okay? Yes. Now the king felt defeated. He said, "मैं हार गया." King. He said, "अब मैं हार गया. I am defeated now. I can't do anything with this man. Yes, I can't punish him anyway. I have tried everything. But Kabir is still alive. Alive means? Zinda. What is the opposite of alive? Die. Yes. Alive and dead. Okay? Opposite of alive is dead. Opposite of defeat. Can you spell defeat? D-E-F. Eat. What is the spelling of eat? E-A-T. Defeat. And what is the opposite of defeat? I told you just now. Either you are defeated or you. If you are playing a game, one person wins. Yes, win and defeat. What is the opposite of defeat? Win. Can you spell it? W. Win in win. Okay. So now the king said, "I am fed up. I am defeated now. I can't do anything." All right. And then what happened? He left Kabir free. Yes? Now he said, "Okay, now let him do whatever he likes." Alright? Then, when Kabir died his natural death, what does natural death mean? Yes, very good. His natural death, then his followers, who are his followers? Those who are followers. Kabir's followers. Who are Kabir's followers? Followers means the people who believed. Believed means? Yes. Believed means? Yes. The people who believed in what Kabir was teaching. Okay? Whatever he was teaching, the people believed. So those were his followers. You understand? उसकी बात मानते थे. So he had Muslim followers as well as Hindu followers. Yes? So when Kabir died, they started quarreling. What does quarreling mean? Yes. Yes, exactly. Fighting. Yes. They started quarreling. What is another word for quarreling? I said just now. Fighting. Yes. Quarrel and fighting. Quarrel This is quarreling and another word is fighting. So they were fighting. And why were they fighting? The Muslims wanted to bury. Bury means? Yes. Where? In the ground. They were fighting because the Muslims wanted to bury his body, put his body, dig the ground, put his body there and cover it. But the Hindus, what were they? The Hindus wanted to burn the body. Yes? So they were fighting. They were fighting. And then what happened? But did Kabir teach this? Did Kabir teach them to fight? But they were doing it. Was it right or wrong? Wrong. It was not correct, na? So suddenly the Hindus and the Muslims, they heard a voice. What is voice? Awaz. They heard a voice from the sky. They heard a voice from the sky. That was, whose voice was it? Kabir's. It was Kabir's voice. And what was the voice saying? Take the sheet off my body. Yes. Whenever somebody dies, what happens is the body is covered with a sheet. Sheet, you know what is a sheet? Chadar. Yes. The body is covered with a sheet. Okay. And even that is called a sheet. This sheet is chadar, and a paper, when you write, that is also called a sheet of paper. You understand? One is chadar, and supposing I give you a paper to write on, a paper, not a copy, a paper, then you can also, you can say, Auntie gave me a sheet of paper to write, which means a single paper. Sheet. Yes? So that is also called a sheet. Now it said, take the sheet off my body. From my body I am covered, now take it off. Now when they removed means? Yes, hatana. Removed the sheet, they did not find they did not find the body. And in its place, they found only some flowers. Okay? And so the Muslims took half the flowers. That means, yes, some flowers, half the flowers the Muslims took and the other half the Hindus took. And then what did they have? That we'll have to find out. कौन से कोई भी flowers, it can be roses, it can be, yes, you saw na, they were gulab, roses, okay. How do you know it was, she had seen, yes, okay. In her dream, you know what is a dream? Sapna, yes, in her dream she saw, yes, that they were roses. So half the roses the Hindus took and half the roses the Muslims took. And can you guess what the Muslims must have done with the roses? What? Yes, say. Never mind. Just say it. What did they do with the flowers? The Muslims. You were saying it. Neetu, you had it in mind. What did they do? They took the flowers and put them, very good, put them, where? In the earth. Very good. In the ground. Buried them. Garna. Yes. What is it called? Bury. Garna. Okay. How did they do it? They dug the ground. Dug means? Khodna. And bury means? Garna. Okay. And what did the Muslims do to the Hindus do to the flowers? What do you call it in English? Burnt. They burnt the flowers. Now both were very happy now. Now they were not fighting. Yes? And while the Hindus took the other half and burnt them. Okay? The Muslims dug the ground, खोदा ground, put the flowers, and what did they do? Guard diye. Yes, they must have cried. Very good. Say it na. Okay. And what did the Hindus do? Hindus do? Hindus cried. Yes, they cried and they burnt the flower. Okay. Can you do this just for a minute? Dig the ground. Come here. Come here. One of you. You dig the ground, and you. Supposing you are a Muslim, you have taken the flowers, and now you dig the ground. Dig the ground. He's crying also. See, very good. Now what are you doing? I am. Neetu, you are putting. Say I am putting the flower. Say it. Very good. Say it.
Say I am putting the flower.
And now you are burying. I'm burying them. How do you bury them? By putting. क्या आप उसके ऊपर क्या डालेंगे? हाँ, so say what is matti called in English? Soil. I told you some time back in some lesson we had discussed. What is it called? Soil. So this is the way he dug it and put. And now you show me. How were the flowers burnt? Very hard, like this. What are you doing? Now show. You have taken the flowers. You have to burn them. Say I am burning.
I am burning the flower.
Do it. Hurry up. There is recording now, so you must do it. So, acha, come on. She is going to do it. Yes. So, she is going to do it in front, so that it yes. Very good. Yes. Say I am burning. Say the whole sentence. I am burning the flowers. You are doing it right now. I am burning the. Okay. And yes, you have to cry a little bit. Okay. Good girl. Flower dalogi? All right. Understood, children? See? So what do you think? Kabir was a very, very good man, na?
Yes.
So that is why all this. Acha, one more thing I want to ask you. There was this line that they heard a voice from the sky. But did they actually hear the voice? सच में सुना?
Yes.
How many of you? आवाज आती है ऊपर से?
No.
आती होगी? बोला होगा, तुमने सुनी है? Have you heard? Oh yes. Liar. What did you hear? क्या?
वो बोले थे कि ये चलो बता दो और
नहीं, but she has. I'm saying कि is it really true that you hear the voice? No.
मेरे बहुत शरीर के लिए तुम इतना झगड़ा क्यों कर रहे? हाफ
नहीं, but tell me, actually उन लोगों ने आवाज सुनी थी सच में? हाँ. So what is this? What is it? Very good. This is what they thought. मन से आवाज आई. Actually there is, how can you hear? So from inside, sometimes when you are, have you noticed, sometimes when you are very, very upset, then you get something from inside. अच्छा मैं ऐसे करती हूँ, होता है ना? In some problem?
Yes.
So this was it. They heard this from inside, they got this.
But flower.
So that is okay. That was a miracle. Okay. Miracle means, you know what miracle means? Miracle.
Excuse me,
Chamatkar.